Hello and welcome to this needle felting tutorial. This is the first in my new cartoon mini series, and today we're going to be creating a cute little panda in these 3 different poses. So this project is suitable for beginners or just anybody who would like to felt along with me. So if you'd like to take part, then let's head over to the other camera and see what materials we need to get started. So here are my materials. I've got some 100% wool felts, 1mm thick. I've got some felting wool in black and white. I've got my needle, which is a 38 gauge triangular. And then I've got my felting mat, which goes underneath your wick. I also use a felting needle holder. So I'll just put my needle in there. Just helps if you get pain. And then I'm going to get started. So we're going to take our white, just a small amount, and we're just going to roughly kind of shape it into a little head, a bit bigger than you want it, because you're going to bring your needle around and felt it into place. Stabbing all over. Okay, next I'm going to take some black, and we're just going to hoist this going up around the head, and then shape it down. Like that. And then the other side. I'm going to take a little bit more, put it across here. Take a bit more black. And then a bit more white. Some more black. And there we go. So there's our front-facing panda. Next we're going to do one at the side. So just take another bit of wool and we're going to do a side view one. And then I'm going to take some black and put my arm in. Bring that all the way to the top. And then move my wool where I want it. And a little foot. Then take a little bit more black. Add that foot at the front. And the back legs. Create my little ears now. And then the eyes. Like that. And then the next one, we're going to do the back of a panda. So we're going to sit our panda up. And then we're going to add our shape of the black. So just going to kind of create like a little V under the head. Then we're going to do a little ear. Little eye. Thank you so much for felting along with my cartoon mini-series, and I hope that you've enjoyed creating your own cartoon pandas. I would love to see them, so if you're not already a member in my needle felting group on Facebook, then I'll pop a link in the description below, and you can tag me Heartfelt and show me your felted pandas. And if you have enjoyed felting along with this, then next week inside my membership we're going to be creating this more realistic panda. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description and you can check out when that's going to be released next week over on my website. And so if you would like to see more animals like this, then please tell me in the comments what you'd like to see me felt, and I would love to know. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy felting. Bye for now.